And what's up, guys? Today I've got a quick unboxing of the Google Pixel Buds A-Series. Once we take the shrink wrap off and open up the box, the first thing we see is the Pixel Buds charging case. And inside we have both the left and the right Pixel Buds. The charging case is about the same size as the AirPods Pro case, which has been my daily headphone of choice for the last year, and before that I was using the second generation AirPods. Unfortunately, the Pixel Buds A-Series does not have wireless charging, something that the AirPods Pro has. And that is because the A-Series that Google has is more of a cheaper line of products. And the last few things in the box are a USB Type A to Type C cable for charging, different size earbuds, and a few pieces of paper that I'm not ever going to read. The Pixel Buds feel good in my ears after a few minutes, and they sound decent. The Pixel Buds look a little more compact than the AirPod Pros, just kind of the design, but I think they both look fine. The Pixel Buds have a little rubber piece, so that way they kind of stay in your ear better and they don't fall out, which is good.